Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. My name is Shannon and today I'm welcoming you to my daily meditation practice. I record these meditations every day and it's a way to have some accountability for my own daily practice and to offer that out to you during this time that can be a little stressful, cause some anxiety, and feels a little either like chaos or limbo. You could be having either experience or both, depending on the day. And I'm hoping that these meditations will help give you a brief time during the day, at the end of the day, to kind of let that go. And sometimes we struggle when we have a daily practice, when we just don't feel like doing it. And that's one of those days for me today. But here I am. I am sitting. I am getting on my cushion so I can have some meditation. And on those days when you just don't feel like doing it, it's best not to overdo it, just to leave it as simple as possible. And that's what we're going to do today. So all you need for these meditations are two things. They're not complicated meditations at all, and today will be even less so. You need a comfortable place to sit, either a cushion on the floor or in a chair or outside on the ground, and then a place with as few distractions as possible. So if you have both of those things, you're seated down and you're ready to meditate, then let's get started. And I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And today we're just going to breathe. That's all we're going to do. Because on days when it's just hard to feel like meditating, and all we need to do is sit and just try to be here for a few minutes. And check your posture, that your back is tall, your shoulders are back a little bit so that your lungs can be open, your torso can be relaxed, and you can breathe deeply. Today there will be fewer prompts than usual, because today we're just going to try to sit here and be and breathe. Whatever comes up for you, whatever you notice, thoughts, discomfort, distractions, just acknowledge it and let it go. Just sit, just be. And it's okay if some days we just don't feel in the mood to do it. And just sitting for that time is still worthwhile. Those days when you wish you might be doing something else, but except for meditating, that's okay. Just release those thoughts and try to be present with your breathing, the feeling of you sitting, the noises around you, whatever's happening right now. Just breathe. Just be. Just be here right now for a few minutes. You can still do whatever it is you were in the middle of or what you were going to do. You can do that later. It will still be there. Whatever arises for you, anything that's distracting, just release that out to the wind, out to the universe, maybe on an exhale. And just let it go. Back to your breathing, experience of sitting, the noises around you, the feeling of the air or the wind, whatever brings you back to right now. Just breathe. Just sit. Just be here right now. Couple more breaths. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for a little bit of daily meditation. And I've mentioned it in previous meditations that I'll be sitting here before you, whether I'm feeling great or not, good, bad, or ugly. I'm going to be here and showing you how I function in meditation no matter what's going on for me. And some days are going to be better than others. And I'm not going to pretend to be more motivated than I am or happier than I am. I'm just going to be here for you as genuinely as I can. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a relaxing evening, a deep sleep, and a wonderful day tomorrow. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.